Ooh, it's so nice. It's finally summer and it's finally time to get the body moving from flexing to dancing, from dancing to flexing, all together included. And this is what happened in today's video, what you can find on my OnlyFans page, Biceps Girl for Fun. And if you don't want to ask, just check out Biceps Girl for Fun free OnlyFans. Or Biceps Girl. Should I show you again? Yes. Would you like to see that? I mean, you can't really see that because of the watermark, but Biceps Girl is my name. Biceps Girl for Fun, of course.